When it comes to making smart investment decisions, Fidelity Investments is one of the most well-known platforms. But before you dive in and start buying, there are a few key things you need to know that can make a huge difference in how you use the app and compare it to other investment platforms. Stick around till the end to get a better option that might suit your needs even more. First thing, Fidelity is known for offering a wide range of investment options. Whether you're into stocks, bonds, ETFs, or mutual funds, you'll find them all here. Compared to competitors like Robinhood or Schwab, Fidelity has a broader selection, making it a go-to for long-term investors. Next thing, the app's user interface is clean, but it might not be the easiest for beginners. While the app is functional, new users might find it a bit overwhelming with its many features. Competitors like Acorns or Stash offer more beginner-friendly experiences. The third thing to note is that Fidelity doesn't charge commissions on trades. That's a huge plus, because many other brokers, like E-Trade or TD Ameritrade, still charge on some trades. This can really add up over time if you're active in the market. Moving on, Fidelity also offers great research tools, which sets it apart from some competitors. You'll get access to stock screeners, in-depth market analysis, and a variety of educational resources. If you're an advanced investor, this is a real bonus, though it can be overwhelming for someone just starting out. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the account fees. Fidelity is known for having low fees, but certain services, like some managed portfolios, do come with higher costs. Still, it's competitive when compared to other services like Wealthfront or Betterment. The sixth thing is Fidelity's mobile app has been improving, but some features still don't work as smoothly as on the desktop version. For example, you might experience lag or find the app crashing at times, which can be frustrating when compared to smoother, more reliable apps from platforms like Robinhood. The seventh thing, Fidelity has an excellent customer support team. If you run into any issues, their support is accessible 24/7. This is a huge advantage compared to services like Charles Schwab, which don't have as responsive customer service. Next, let's talk about its retirement options. Fidelity is known for offering robust 401k plans and IRAs. This is something that makes it stand out for those planning for retirement compared to other apps that focus more on short-term trading like Robinhood. The ninth thing is the ease of linking external accounts. Fidelity makes it easy to connect your bank accounts, and you can transfer money seamlessly. This is something that some competitors like Webull don't offer as easily. The 10th thing you should know is that Fidelity has a wealth of educational content. From beginner guides to advanced investment strategies, you'll find it all here. This is especially great for new investors who want to learn as they go. The 11th thing to mention is the tax management features. Fidelity has built-in tools to help you manage capital gains and tax loss harvesting. While some competitors like Stash are catching up, Fidelity has a more comprehensive tax strategy in place for serious investors. And finally, the 12th thing you need to know is the mobile app's focus on long-term investing. Unlike apps like Robinhood, which cater more to day traders, Fidelity promotes investing for the long haul. This means less focus on day-to-day trading and more on setting up a diversified portfolio for your future. So, is Fidelity a good option? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for an established, reliable platform for long-term investing. But if you want a more beginner-friendly experience with easier navigation or more customization, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It might be exactly what you're looking for.